Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna and today's video is going to be a what's in my bag. The bag that I will be showing you guys today is the Vuitton Nano Speedy. So if you're interested in seeing what I think about the bag and everything that can fit, just keep watching. First thing first, I just want to tell you guys I love this purse. Honestly, I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on this, and if you're able to get it, I highly recommend it. I recently got this bag for my birthday. I'll make sure to link me unboxing it in the cards above. And this bag is literally like a must-have in your wardrobe. Honestly, if you are looking for a first luxury purchase, I highly recommend this bag because not only can it fit so much, which I will show you guys, but it's also so cute and stylish, and there's so many ways that you can wear it, so many ways that you can style it. As you can see, I put my bandeau around it and I just love the look that it gives. You can add cute accessories, but y'all, I love this purse. So let's just jump right in and I'm going to show you guys all the things that I have inside of here. So let's see. So the first thing that I have in my bag is my iPhone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro, and as you can see, even though this bag is very small, it can hold a lot. I was shocked to see that my phone could fit. And honestly, if it's not a nighttime bag, my phone has to fit in my purse. I don't like having a small bag and I can't even put my phone. Of course, unless it's a nighttime look or something. But my iPhone does fit in here. The next thing that I have in here is my card holder and my keys. As y'all can see, I literally carry this thing everywhere. I also have a video of me reviewing this LV key pouch, so if you're interested, I'll also link this in the cards below. I have my black sunglasses. I got these from my company, She's a Doll, and I'll link these below as well in the description. And I'm going to show you guys how they look on. And I just love how they look. I feel like they're just so extra and just a moment. But I think these are so cute. So these also fit in my purse. I have some hand sanitizer. I have, I'm dropping stuff. I have my my Apple charger for my phone because I do so much on my phone that my phone dies, and I also use it to charge my iPad, my AirPods. So I just like to just have a charger at hand just all the time. I also have a portable charger, but I have not been doing a good job at keeping that charged. I have this magnetic liquid eyeliner. If you guys have a hard time putting on your lashes, I highly recommend that you try using the magnetic eyeliner and lashes. It just makes it so much easier. It's I don't know. I don't know how it works. I just love this. It used to take me almost 10 minutes to put on one eyelash because I'll put it on, it's not right. I'll put it on, it's not right. With this, I can literally put my lashes on in less than 3 minutes. This is the best thing ever. I'll make sure to link everything that I'm talking about below. So I'll try to find this exact one or something similar to it. So if you're interested, you can try it out. But you guys have to try magnetic lashes. And also, I have a bunch of lip products because right now I'm wearing this new lip that I'm trying out. And it requires 3 different lip glosses. So I have the NYX, this is Milky Gloss. Then I have the Fenty Heat Beauty and the color Hot Chocolate. And last but not least, I have the Juvia's Place and the color Brown Sugar. And the 3 of these combined gives you the most beautiful nude lip color. So if you're looking for a nude lip color, I highly recommend these 3 colors. But these 3 colors together is magical. Okay? Magical. And last but not least, I have my my MFK Baccarat sample. When I purchased my YSL bag, they let me get a free sample, so I got this because I just wanted to try it out. And I honestly see why people love it. It literally lasts all day, but I wouldn't recommend it for everyday use. It's definitely just like for like a night out. Then I also have some eyeliner because my eyeliner, it always rubs off. It's so annoying. I probably definitely need to look into like another eyeliner, but right now I just use the e.l.f. one. It's just the easiest for me to apply, but it's very annoying that I have to keep reapplying it, so I do have to carry it with me. So that's pretty much everything that's inside of my bag. As you guys can see, this purse can hold so much. All of those things was inside this bag, and the bag wasn't stretched out or went out or anything. I know some people get like purse organizers, so I might get that because as you can see, it's literally a giant hole. So things definitely can get lost in here if you're trying to find something quickly. But so far, I pretty much, if you guys haven't noticed from most of my bags, I just carry like the essential items. I try not to carry so much items because I don't like for my bags to be heavy, or I don't like to not be able to find anything. So now I'm going to show you guys different ways you can accessorize the bag and style the bag and how to tie it with your bandeau. So I recommend getting a bandeau because as you guys can see, the straps are with the like vachetta leather, so you have to be really careful with your hands and what's on your hands because you don't want to have like really bad watermarks. Two things that I recommend that you try is that you can either get like a detachable like cute pearl strap that I've seen people do, like I'll insert some photos, or you can get like a gold chain to use as well. Or you can just get a bandeau like this one and you can just tie it around the handles to just protect it to make the bag last longer. So I'm going to show you guys how I tie this on here. It's super easy. I just wrap the bandeau. As you can see, I literally just wrap it around the straps. It's very, very easy. And you can either tie it here with one side. So I'll show you guys how it looks if I just tie it to one side. So this is how it looks if you just have it one side tied, but then the back is still, you know, prone to being damaged. So what I like to do is actually just tie the bandeau on both sides. So the way that I do that is once I unravel this is how it looks with one side. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cross it over the top of the bag, and then I'm just gonna continue to wrap it around again, the other side. So once I get to the end, I am now gonna take the other side from the previous side that I tied, and I am just going to tie the two sides together and just make like a cute little bow. This is how it looks, and now both sides are tied and protected, and it's so cute and stylish, and you can change up the bandeaus to match your outfit. You just make it your own and just do whatever makes you happy. I just love having them protected just because I just want to keep my bags looking as new as possible, but at the same time I want to wear them and get as much wear as I can out of them. I rarely use the strap as a crossbody, but sometimes I do use it as a crossbody, and at the end I'll show you guys up close shots and mod shots. I know some people cut the handles off of theirs, but it doesn't really bother me. Like, I actually like how it looks with the handles hanging, and if it really bothers you, you can tuck them inside of the bag. It's just kind of up to you what you want to do. But if you want to just get in, all you have to do is just quickly untie the side, and then it just opens wide open and you can just get whatever you need, and then just tie it back. You just make the knot again and it's back to being tied. I really love this purse. Like, if you can get your hands on it, I highly recommend getting it. You probably just have to find a SA and just befriend them and just, you know, tell them this is on your wish list, because I know it's really hard to get right now. I've also seen some of them on Poshmark, I've seen them on Fashion File, I've seen them on Rebag. Now that I showed you guys how to wear it, I'll tell you guys the dimensions, and then I'll show you guys how it looks on. The dimensions for the Nano Speedy is that it's 6.3 by 4.3 by 3.5 inches. It is the monogram coated canvas with the natural cowhide leather trim and textile lining. Gold color hardware with the zip closure. The strap is 21.7 inches. It said that it will only be either made in France, Spain, Italy, or in the US. So this one is, I think it's made in the US. I mean in France. It's made in France, and I remember when I was unboxing, I was so shocked because I know people will go out their way to get things that are made in France. So I was like, oh, pretty cool. I didn't even really try. Let me show you guys mod shots. Well, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!